Welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, want to take this time to thank all my subscribers, and for those who leave a comment, it's truly appreciated. I don't do many unboxings or anything like that, but after 18 months of waiting, this thing deserves an unboxing video. Well, today I went over to see Bill over at Ready2Roll in Miami, and I was looking at a Burlington GP30 from Williams that he had, and he called me about, and so I decided to get that one. Well, while we were doing the process, UPS showed up, and this came in, and I was super happy I went to see him. This is gonna be Florida East Coast GP9 diesel engine. Item number 20-21545-1. The detail on this thing is amazing. Even the steps have whole see-through in them. I love this GP9. It was worth the wait. Let me go ahead and put her on the track, see how she sounds.
Tower, this is local freight holding on track 2.
Local freight, this is dispatcher. Guys, hold it there for a minute.
Copy that, Tower. Awaiting instructions. Over.
Local freight, this is dispatcher. Thanks for waiting. How can I help you today? Over.
We've got our train and we're holding on track 2. Waiting to depart. Over.
All right, local freight. I'll see how fast I can get you guys on your way. Over.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate that. Over.
Local freight, this is dispatcher. Over.
This is local freight. Go ahead, dispatch. Over.
I'm going to clear you for track 1 heading south. Are you guys ready? Over.
We're ready and waiting. Over.
Watch for your signal. Over.
Thank you, dispatch. We've got our proceed signal heading south.
Copy that, local freight. You have the proceed signal and you're heading south. Have a safe day. Out.
Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You did, thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell button. Happy railroading. Bye.